packing things up. We're heading on out. We're heading to Glacier National Park. Hopefully our trip out won't be as bumpy as our trip in, and that the van will hold up better than my sunglasses did.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
I know a lot of you are probably thinking, Steve, what are you going to do for sunglasses now? Not to worry, folks, because when we were in Missoula at the creek, I found these. Da-da-da-da!
Well, what do you guys think?
Continue on Glacier Route 1 road for 2 miles.
Glacier National Park became the United States' 10th national park in 1910. Located in northern Montana, the park is a stunning wilderness with rugged mountains, pristine lakes, glaciers, and rich wildlife. Known as the crown of the continent, the park protects over 1 million acres of diverse landscapes and habitats, home to wildlife such as grizzly bears, mountain goats, and moose. With its dramatic scenery and unspoiled natural beauty, Glacier remains one of America's most awe-inspiring national parks. We stopped at the Apgar Visitor Center to talk to a ranger, get some information, and also to refill our water. The thing that's kind of a bummer about Glacier is if you come in the west side, it's timed ticketing unless you get here before 7 or after 3. So it is after 3 now. We're going to check out some of the park, and then as the days go on, hopefully we'll see a lot more of it.
And that's 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., because I'm sure 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. is kind of kind of dark, at least for most of it. Well, there's a mountain. Well, our first stop looks like a little creek rapids pull-off area. Let's go check it out.
How blue that is. Well, we just saw our first wildlife in the park, a black bear. And guess who thought she was recording and wasn't? What a bummer.
So what we're gonna do, we'll show you the area where the bear was as we turned around, and then you can just imagine that the bear was there.
So the bear was kind of foraging, and as we were driving, I was like, oh, I'm getting a good shot. And then it came through the grass, looked right at us with a mouthful of grass. And I'm like, oh, I'm not recording. But at least we saw our first significant wildlife in the park. The Trail of the Cedars is one of Glacier National Park's most accessible hikes. This easy, wheelchair-friendly loop trail is just under a mile long and winds through towering western red cedars and hemlocks, some of which are hundreds of years old. Along the way, boardwalks and paths follow Avalanche Creek, where the rushing water has carved dramatic cascades and a striking gorge into the colorful rock.
this is called the Trail of Cedars, and you're supposed to like be able to smell all the cedar trees, but I think because it's been so busy here, all the people that have come before us have probably sniffed all the good smells already. Whoa, look, a couple deer.
Well, I may not have gotten the bear, but at least I got the deer.
Found the best part of this trail.
And it's even right next to the water. This trail is a little less than a mile loop, which Steve can handle. Steve approved. It's not a grandiose hike, but it's a very nice way to start our activities here at the park. Lots of pretty trees, green moss, some wildlife already. Very nice.
I don't know if I've ever been that excited before. I was looking down this way, and just around the trunk of a tree, I thought for sure there was a moose snout sticking out. Unfortunately, it's just a little kid.
Alright, well we have found a spot on iOverlander. It's supposed to be a popular spot with the locals and it's a Saturday night, so we're not sure what we're going to find, but we're going to go check it out and see what we think for tonight.
So that was pretty intense to watch those guys bridge jump. Little known fact, your old boy Steve here has done his share of bridge jumping. By that I mean I did it once and it was terrifying, and it wasn't anywhere near as high as this one. One guy had a literal tape measure out and he measured it. It was 28 feet from the bridge to the water surface. Not only that, I talked to another guy who was jumping, and he said every time he does it he touches bottom. So it's not terribly deep there.
Oh, it's like dog food. Steve, did you get dog food by accident at Aldi?
It was on sale.
You guys get 3 guesses as to what we're having for dinner. It's an oldie and a goodie, one we have a lot. It's Mexican night. Start out with some rice. Top that with some black bean pork carnita goodness. This is patented, by the way. You guys can't make this at home. I think it's actually patent pending. Cheese. And the best part. Did you know you were getting dinner with a show? So what are you doing, Steve?
I'm a little hot, so I'm going to see if I can get in the water.
It's probably
May or
not,
may not happen.
probably not a matter of can or cannot. It's will or will not.
Oh yeah.
Of course he waited till the sun's down. He's making some progress, but everybody that's been here has said how cold it is. And now it feels even colder now that the sun is not shining on this section of the area.
Oh, the cold.
3 hours later. No. Are you cooler?
I am definitely cooler. Frostbite's cooler, right?
You got in 70% of the way.
I got into about here. Well, that was a somewhat refreshing half dip.
Way to go.
Yep.
I knew you had it in you. Well, it's kind of early tonight, but we are turning in early because of how things work here at Glacier. We're going to try to get to the entrance at around 6:30 because we need to get there before the timed entrance starts. I don't know how hard it is to get a timed entrance reservation, but we didn't even try. We're just going to try to get up early. I think we're about 15 minutes away from the entrance, and we're going to start our bigger adventure in Glacier.
Well, this is where we're going to leave you for this episode. As always, we love hearing from you, so please drop us a comment below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the like button. And until next time, we'll see ya.
Bye! If you enjoy our videos, please consider becoming a patron by using the link on the screen that we've also included in the video description, along with information about today's adventure and our channel. A special thank you to all our patrons. We appreciate your ongoing support. Thanks for coming along with us on this van life adventure. Please take a second to hit the like button below, leave a comment to let us know you're watching, and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget, you can also connect with us and see my photos of the places we visit on our Facebook and Instagram.